Welcome back guys to part 2 of Harvey Bay. If you happen to miss the first episode, head on over and check it out. We're going to go and check out a little bit around the area this morning and possibly head down to a water park and check that out too. Have a little bit of lunch and possibly put the drone up. So let's get into it. So we wandered along the Esplanade and now found ourselves at Waterside. It's a little water park. It's free entry. As far as we know, the slides on the other side, from when I looked it up, actually have, I think it was a $10 surcharge for so many rides. We're not quite sure exactly, but it's obviously a bit early in the morning. I think it opens at 10 o'clock. It's only 8:30. So we thought we'd get down here pretty early. We're leaving town. We're trying to do things in between the rain at the moment. But yeah, what a great little spot. So we're just taking a bit of a stroll along, I think they class it as the Esplanade. We've got the ocean just to our right and a couple of shops on our left and houses. And we found ourselves the Caravan park right on the water. Looks like a nice, spacious caravan park. Great water views. Plenty of room at the moment. So it looks like a caravan park. We've got some cabins, lots of big spaces. It looks like you can actually drive through in some of them. Make it a lot easier at times. And just walking up is a Food Works, Subway, a couple of other restaurants I guess along here too. Very central across the road from the caravan park. So quite a bit more busy up this end. Beautiful looking park though. Be great to have a site right on the water there on the beach. So for a nice mural on the wall, it's pretty cool. Food Works, Subway. Fire and ice. Nice little kids park there, which is all next to the caravan park. And a tiny little jetty here. I think the winds are dropped down a little bit at the moment. That's a beautiful little spot. As you can see, there's a bit of a storm rolling in. So that's Harvey Bay Sailing Club, just across there. And there's the other side of the caravan park just over there as well. And this is the view you get if you get a site right on the edge of the beach park. Beautiful little spot. So there's Harvey Bay Sailing Club just there. We're just on the Esplanade at the moment. You've got a service station down a bit further there. A hotel, pub hotel that is. We're not quite sure what's a bit further down. We'll take a walk down there possibly tomorrow or drive through. And ice cream shop across the road here. So we're going to go across and try and find something to eat. I don't think we'll get back to the club tonight.